Myself, Dr. Atul Ashok Patil, Faculty of Department of Mechanical Engineering from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. I am a part of this international FDP on environment and sustainability, conducted by Dr. D.Y. Patil, College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune, in association with UNESCO and Open Education for Better World. I am giving presentation for activity of week 3 and 4 on green manufacturing with solar cooker, a clean energy as a case study to reduce carbon footprint impact. For week 1 video presents recycle paper in order to renew object in purpose of helping and protecting the environment, because recycling 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees and also can prevent from the erosion. For week 2 video presents solar cooker use no fuel. This save cost as well as reducing environmental damage caused by fuel use, since 2.5 billion people cook on open fire using biomass fuels. Solar cookers could have large economic and environmental benefits by reducing deforestation, reduces carbon footprint by cooking without the use of carbon-based fuels or rigid electricity from traditional sources. Video output. After learning through video, students will learn to calculate carbon content, footprint, evaluate effect of CO2 emission on the environment and sustainability, to develop clean energy system at low cost for environment and sustainability. Following is the list of ISO IEEE industry standards norms applicable to subject content chosen in week 1 and week 2. In this tabular format, this international standards number is given and detail purpose is given in the second column. Carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is the set of greenhouse gas emission caused by something. It can be calculated for a product, service, person, or even a country, and is used to understand the impact human activity is having on the Earth's climate. This step looks at measuring carbon footprints, personal carbon footprints, national average footprints, and the global footprint. Here I am explaining with the help of Shrink Carbon Footprint Calculator. Housing footprint. To calculate your housing carbon footprint, you need to work out your personal share of home energy use, water use, and waste disposal. This means collecting figures for your home's annual energy, water, and waste use and dividing it by the number of people in your home to get your individual share. Having gathered this information, you then multiply your personal usage by an emission factor to calculate your home footprint. Carbon emission, footprint calculation, and computation. The calculations look like this. Here some formulation of this calculation is given. With the help of this, you will find out the carbon footprint. We are also check our monthly utility bills by using this calculation. Here the calculation is given. With the help of this, we will again find out the monthly utility bill. Sustainability assessment of homemade solar cooker for use in developed countries. The sustainability benefits of using solar cookers in developing countries have been analyzed widely in the literature and survey. However, the sustainability potential of solar cookers in developed economies has not been explored yet, which is the topic of this study. Three types of solar cooker: box, panel, and parabolic were built as a part of this study. Using mostly reused household material, their life cycle, environmental, and economic performance was analyzed and compared to conventional microwaves. The results were first considered at the level of individual cookers and then scaled up to the levels of city, region, and country, considering a conservative 10% uptake of solar cookers in substitution of microwaves. The contribution of homemade solar cooker to circular economy and their social sustainability were also analyzed. Life cycle assessment. Homemade solar cookers could drive behavioral changes towards a circular economy and social sustainability. The development of craft activities to build this product can help people to deal with stress. Stimulating creativity and promoting positive social interactions, this could support the creation of new supply chain for reusing secondary household materials. It may also lead to physical or virtual meetings where people could exchange innovative design approaches and life cycle management solutions. Consequently, homemade solar cookers represent a promising opportunity to facilitate the development of a circular economy and support sustainable development of communities in developed countries. Types of solar cookers. In the week 2 solar cookers in details, we learn these types of solar cookers. Basically, there are three types of solar cookers available on the market. First, box cookers. It is also called as solar oven. Second, panel cookers. Third, parabolic cookers. System boundaries and life cycle stages considered for the solar cooker and microwaves. In this figure, with the help of flowchart, here the solar cooker flowchart and also a microwave flowchart is shown. This study analyzed the environmental, economic, and social implications of using homemade solar cookers instead of microwave in developed countries. This flowchart shows if household material is used to manufacture solar cookers, it will benefit on micro oven manufactured in industry. It saves time, effort, and transportation, which directly reduce carbon footprint. Contribution of solar cookers to circular economy. The findings suggested that a high use intensity, that is 240 days of long-lived, that is 8 months, solar cookers accompanied with microwaves as a backup can reduce environmental impact by up to 65%, including global warming potential and annual cost by up to 40% compared to using microwave alone. On the other hand, the use of short-lived cookers, that is 1 month, may increase human toxicity, depletion of fossil fuels, and the cost of food heating due to the need for additional new materials to repair and build new products. However, solar cookers made up entirely of reused material would have negligible environmental impact and cost. The use of solar cooker in space could avoid the annual emission of 42,600 ton of CO2 equivalent and reduce household waste by 42,000 tons. Thank you.